Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be a really fun idea to kind of show you guys how I decorate my coffee bar using all Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decorations. I thought it would be super fun. This is something I have never done on my channel and I wanted to do something a little bit different. So if this is something you would like me to continue to do on my channel, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, by subscribing, by hitting the notification bell so you get notified as to when I upload. But so without further ado, let's start decorating, and let me show you kind of a little bit of items that I was able to pick up from the Dollar Tree that I haven't shown yet. But if you've missed my recent Dollar Tree Valentine's Day haul, I will include a card up above so you can check it out. So let me show you the goodies I was able to find. So let me show you a couple items I was able to pick up from the Dollar Tree. So I picked up some little roses. So I got the red, the white, and the pink. And I got this little vase also from the Dollar Tree, and then Dollar Tree also sells table scatter, which I just filled in the little vase. But I'm going to go ahead and separate these flowers so that they'll look super cute in here. So I did pick those up, so all of this was super inexpensive. I also got this table runner. It's just in the white by the Home Collection. So I do love that. It does have like a little bit of a pattern to it, but what I'm going to do to make it look more Valentine's Day, I mean, you can totally DIY this, but I'm just going to place a scarf from the Valentine's Day section at the Dollar Tree over the top of it to kind of make it more festive, if you will. So I got that. I did pick up some heart picks, so I got some in the red and the pink. And this, I love Valentine's Day because it's the perfect excuse to decorate your house in pink. Pink is my favorite color, so I just love having an excuse to be able to bring out a bunch of pink decorations. I also found this adorable window decoration. It just says Happy Valentine's Day, and I was thinking about kind of putting it on here, but I'm not too sure. We can totally play around with it together. So that's going to be the fun part about the video. This is the scarf that I'm going to place over the top of that table runner. It's a little bit long. It does say love all over it. It's super cute, so I thought it would just add a really nice touch. Some of these items I already showed in my previous haul, like I mentioned. So I got some of these little Valentine's Day towels, some of these craft sticks. These are awesome to stir your coffee and creamer together, or sugar or honey. So I just love these. You get 100 pieces and they are just little wooden sticks, popsicle sticks. So I love to use these for my coffee station. I also went to the kitchen section at the Dollar Tree. So I did pick up these dish towels. I wanted to go for a red, white, and pink theme for my coffee bar this year. I did pick up some ribbon, so I got some like checkered ribbon. I picked up some ribbon with a red background and like it almost looks like white polka dots, but it's white hearts. And then I got this little dish that Dollar Tree also sells, so I'm going to be putting some candy or whatever. You can do so much with these items, which I love. I'm filling my station already. And then I did pick up some LED lights, and I'm so excited to turn these on so that I can light my little coffee bar. I mean, 10 lights for $1, guys. That's a super good deal. So you can totally decorate on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money, so I love that I'm able to do that with my little coffee bar. I also showed these in my previous haul, but they're napkins and plates. I like to have these on hand, especially around my coffee bar, because I do like to have a sweet pastry, whether that be a cinnamon roll, whether that be a donut, whatever it is. I definitely have a sweet tooth, so those are super important. And then napkins, because those are essential. The very last items I picked up were these adorable little hearts. They are sparkly, so I got 2 in the red and I got 1 in the pink. And they are like styrofoam little hearts. I just love them. I think it's gonna totally add a kind of refreshed look to this Christmassy look. I definitely am overdue on getting rid of all my Christmas decorations. I just love Christmas so much that it breaks my heart to have to take everything down. But that's why Valentine's Day is right around the corner for me. So there's that. Another tip that I wanted to add was to stock up on the Christmas candy that is usually on sale at most stores. This is Holiday Hershey's Kisses. It's got red, silver, and green. I'm just not going to use the green. I will eat those separately. I'll tuck them away in a cabinet. But that's just an awesome way to save some money on kind of displaying candy on your coffee bar. And I totally wanted to mention that because it's something I love to do, and hopefully it saves you some money as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into the Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decorating. This is also from the Dollar Tree. It's a little napkin holder. I'm going to use this to organize my napkins, so just wanted to make sure I mentioned that. And also these little jars here with the sugar and the coffee. These are from the Target's Dollar Spot. These were only $3 a piece. Cisco always buys me these at, I believe it's Sprouts, and I just love them so much because I use them as kind of like a little sweet snack, and they're so good. So I'm going to put some here, and then I'm going to put the rest of my coffee stir sticks in a different one, okay? So on my little board, I did change it up. I say all you need is love and coffee. I just thought that was so cute. Down below, I did go ahead and lay the table runner and the scarf, and I think it looks perfect. It was a little bit big, but my KEURIG did help me out a lot. So I was able to fold it over in the middle, and I kind of just covered it with my KEURIG machine. So that's a really neat tip in case, you know, you have a super long runner. You can cover it with a bigger item and just kind of fold it down. I added the little heart string lights. Like, how adorable are those? I just absolutely love them. I have these two little containers from Dollar Tree, and I just keep sprinkles and cinnamon sticks, and I did tie some little bows onto the jars. I did scatter some of the little hearts that came on those little picks, and I did use the little heart dish, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm using the silver and the red kisses from the, you know, the Hershey's Kisses Christmas bag. On the walls, I did add the little hearts, and I just think it looks so pretty. And I was trying to hang the little window decorations, but they don't stick to the wall, so I'll have to use those on glass. They do stick to glass and plastic. So on this side, I have the little mug here. This is from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck spoons, my honey sticks, and my little stir sticks, those little craft sticks that I showed you earlier. I have the sugar and coffee little jars from the Target dollar spot, and I just added the little bows on there, and then I added more of those little hearts. I kind of use that as table scatter. And then I used the Dollar Tree napkin holder with the Dollar Tree napkins. And then last but not least, the little floral arrangement that I created using roses from the Dollar Tree. I used 3 different little bouquets and then the little Dollar Tree vase. So I love it. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you love this as much as I do. I had so much fun putting this together. It was seriously super easy, and I just love sharing ideas, decorating tips, especially with stuff from the Dollar Tree. You can totally make a space look cute and adorable using Dollar Tree decorations. I hope you enjoyed decorating my coffee bar with me using Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decorations. I had so much fun. If you like these types of videos, please make sure to show your support. It really helps me out a lot. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it gave you some decorating tips. I had so much fun, and I want to do more videos like this. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.